Hi everyone, welcome to WebexOne. So here we are going to show you a healthcare contact center use case for the Webex AI agent plus agency. Let's start from architecture. So you can imagine when the hospital, they have developers, they want to deploy an AI agent to take the contact center calls. They may need multiple agents to do the workflow. So for example, they may need to want to have a single charge agent. They may want to have an insurance MCP server to check the insurance status. An agency is helping developers like this to compose this entire workflow and also put identity out there and also evaluate by our Observe SDK. So the overall developer workflow will be like this. So they will go to the agency to go to agent directory to find the required agents. So in this case, it will be single charge agent from our partners Infinitica, and also insurance policy MCP server from our partner Infinitus, and also definitely Webex will have Webex supervisor agents and also appointment agent to conduct the workflow. And the next step after discovery, the developers will go to compose these AI agents systems in the Webex AI Studio. It can connect the single charge agent by A2A. It can connect the insurance MCP server by MCP. After they compose it, they can also put the identity policy there. They can actually disapprove the interaction if anything happens. We provide tool-based access. And also, after they finish off this composition, they can also use agency observe to evaluate the performance of the system and get the metrics they need. So this is overall how developer can use agency on Webex AI Agent Studio to compose this system. The next is about the use case and also demo flow we want to show you. So what we are going to show you is a user, which is a patient call in to Webex AI Agent Studio, and then the Webex supervisor agent will take up the call, then paste the request to the symptom charge A2A agents to ask a couple of follow-up questions to do a very basic triage to know about the urgency, maybe also the specialty of the doctor for the patients to visit. And then you will paste a request to the insurance policy MCP to understand the medical coverage of the insurance. At the end, you will go to the appointment booking process. And after that, we'll also show you how agency works in the entire process. Okay, let's go to a demo. Okay, so as you can see, we are in the Webex Contact Center AI Agent Studio, and then we already have the agent composed for you. So let's taste it. Let's start a call.
Hi, welcome to Runnergize Hospital. How may I help you today?
I have ear pain and I think my ears are clogged.
I understand. Thank you for sharing. Let me quickly check if your ear pain and the feeling that your ears are cracked require urgent care. Please wait a moment while I look into this. Could you tell me a bit more about your ear pain? Is it sharp, dull, or maybe throbbing? And when you say your ears feel cracked, can you explain what that feels like for you?
I feel I have decreased hearing and ear itch.
I understand. Thank you for sharing. Let me check if decreased hearing and ear itch along with your pain need urgent care. Please hold on for a moment while I review this. Just to make sure I understand everything, do you have any redness or swelling behind your ear, any discharge coming out, pain when you press around your ear, or any skin changes? Also, do you have a weakened?
I do have discharge.
Thanks for letting me know. I will check right away if having ear discharge along with your other symptoms means you need urgent care. Please hold on for a moment while I look into this. All right, do you also have a headache right now?
No headache.
Thanks for letting me know. Let me confirm if you should see a doctor for your ear pain, decreased hearing, ear itch, and discharge. Please wait a moment while I check this for you. Just to double check, do you feel pain or discomfort when you press the area around your ear?
I do.
Thanks for your message. Let me check if you need urgent care or if you should see a specific doctor for your ear pain, decreased hearing, ear itch, discharge, and pain when pressing around your ear. Please wait a moment while I review this. Based on what you shared, it's recommended that you see a general practitioner within 24 hours, ideally through a video teleconsultation. Would you like to book an appointment for this?
Yeah, please.
Certainly, I'm here to assist. To get started, could you please tell me your date of birth, your first name, your last name, and the state you live in? This will help me check your insurance details before booking.
My name is Jennifer Shapiro. My birthday is November 16th, 1959, and I live in California.
Thank you for sharing that, Jennifer. I will now check your insurance details to see your plan and status. Please hold on for a moment while I do this. Jennifer, your insurance plan is called Comprehensive Medical with Aetna and your status is active. To check your eligibility for this visit, could you please provide the first name, last name, and NPI number of the provider you want to see?
So I want to visit Dr. Emily Carter. Her NPI number is 123467890.
Thank you for providing the provider details. I will now check your eligibility for a visit with Dr. Emily Carter. Please wait a moment while I review this for you. You are eligible for a visit with Dr. Emily Carter under your comprehensive medical PPO plan with Aetna. Would you like me to transfer you to another agent now to complete your booking?
Yeah, please.
Certainly, I'm here to assist. Thank you for confirming. You will now be transferred to another agent to complete your booking. Please hold on for a moment.
Okay, so this is the end of the user experience demo. And next, I'm going to show you how agency works in this use case. So 3 components here. First is the directory. This is where the developer can discover these third-party agents. So for example, we use Infomedica medical triage agent. This is an A2A agent. So you click into it, you can see the description of the agent capability. And then we also have Infinitus. So Infinitus is our MCP provider for the insurance check. So they also have the MCP record here in AI agent directory powered by agency. And next is the identity. So identity is where you can enforce a policy. So you can see here, we already have the agents registered here, and we also have policy set up. So you can see in the policy here, we set the actions allow, means we're allowing the voice agent from Webex speak with the triage A2A agent. And now I want to actually change the policy into denial. We want to deny this. So basically cut off the interaction between the voice agents and also the triage agent. And now we can come back to test again. So let me come back to test again. Okay, let's go.
Hi, welcome to Runergize Hospital. How may I help you today?
Hey, I have ear pain and my ear clogged.
I'm here to assist you with that. Let me quickly check if your symptoms require urgent care or if you should see a specific practitioner. Please wait a moment while I review your situation. It looks like I wasn't able to check your symptoms right now due to a technical issue. Would you like me to try again, or is there anything else I can help you with?
Yeah, so as you can see, the interaction get cut off. So the Webex AI agent cannot access to the triage agent. So this is why it didn't get a response it requires. So usually we can use a policy like this when, for example, some security issues happen, we need to block the actions between agents, and then we can just use the policy to achieve that. Okay, and that thing is observability. For observability, we actually have a dashboard on Grafana, and this is governance, the interaction between the triage agent and also the Webex voice agent. So we can actually capture the metrics between the interactions. So as you can see, in the last 5 minutes, we have this couple of different metrics here, the connectivity, reliability, and availability. And then if we just look at the last 1 minute, when we cut off the interaction, we were supposed to see the metrics will actually change. So this is actually a good way to get the visibility of the performance of your agent. And yeah, that's it for our use case demo and agency. Overall, you can see agency is a strong tool to help developers to discover agents, put the security, the policy from identity to govern the agent behavior. And also we have provide a comprehensive dashboard. You can put the metrics together to understand the performance of your multi-agentic system. So now you watch all the exciting demo. So there are three resources here as QR code you can actually scan and access to. So first is the open source voice agent plus agency. So as we show you the demo on the Webex AI Agent Studio, we actually built a very similar version by the open source voice agent and with agency components, including identity and also observability on it. So you can directly scan the first QR code to access to this open source voice agent to start playing around and learn how to build a similar multi-agentic system with agency. Second is, if you're interested in the overall agency components on GitHub, it's open source. This is the repository you can directly access to. You can get access to all the agency components on it, including Slim, directory identity, and observe. And last one is, if you want to know more about the documentation, the strategy, the story behind agency, also including our partners, you just scan the third QR code to access to our agency website to learn more about the context of these products and then join our community. Thanks, everyone. We are excited to see you on agency and reach out to us if you have any question. We have a Slack community for you to join. We also run workshop periodically, so you can always get the access and resources you want to start your agency journey. Thank you.